Have you ever wondered why there's so much buzz surrounding probiotics? It's because gut health and a happy gastrointestinal tract is a key pillar on our path to overall wellness. Digestive issues are becoming a more common trend amongst people around the world, and particularly in developed countries. With more than 50% of Canadians dealing with digestive disorders every year, there's definitely a need for additional digestive support. A healthy gut contains good bacteria and immune cells that fight infectious agents, like bad bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It also communicates with the brain through nerves and hormones, helping to maintain whole body health, which is something we all want. The problem is that most Canadians are not eating enough fermented foods regularly. These are foods that naturally contain beneficial bacteria, also known as probiotics. How often are you eating fermented foods? If the answer is little to none, and not every day, then you need more probiotics in your life. Adding a good quality probiotic supplement into your daily routine will help level up your health.